హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ టు ఆల్. ఈ రోజు మనము కోఆర్డినేట్ జామెట్రీ పార్ట్ 3లో ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ది ట్రయాంగిల్ ఈజీగా ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలో కొన్ని ఫార్ములాస్ యూజ్ చేసి తెలుసుకుందాం. ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా చివరి వరకు ఈ వీడియోని అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి, అదే విధంగా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. Ax1y1, Bx2y2, Cx3y3 ఆర్ ద వెర్టిసెస్ ఆఫ్ ది ట్రయాంగిల్. Then the area of the triangle, we have to use the formulas. Delta equal to half modulus of, we have to write x1, x2 and x3. x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 square units. Like that, the second formula is delta equal to half determinant of x1 minus x2, x2 minus x3, y1 minus y2, y2 minus y3 square units. Next, the third formula is delta equal to half determinant of, we have to write x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Write the third column, we have to write once here. Square units. Square units. Next, the third formula is, if three vertices are given, one of the vertex convert into 0 0. So 0 0, x1 y1, x2 y2 are the three vertices of triangle. Then the area of the triangle is denoted by delta. Delta equal to half determinant of x1 y1, x2 y2 square units. Let us take one example. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 1 minus 1, minus 4 6, minus 3 minus 5. Here we have to take the vertex A equal to 1 minus 1, B minus 4 6, C minus 3 minus 5. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is x3 y3. We have to use the first formula, delta equal to half modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Half modulus of x1 means 1 into 6 minus y3 means minus 5 plus x2 means minus 4 into y3 means minus 5 minus y1 means minus 1 plus x3 means minus 3 into y1 minus 1 y2 6 minus 1 minus 6. Half into modulus of 1 into 6 plus 5 11 plus minus 4 into minus 5 plus 1 minus 4 plus minus 3 into minus 1 minus 6 minus 7. Half modulus of 1 into 11 11 plus minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16 plus minus 3 into minus 7 plus 21. So half modulus of 11 plus 16 27, 27 plus 21 48. So 2 24s cancel. So the area of the triangle is 24 square units. Next, the second model is area of the triangle delta equal to half determinant of x1 minus x2, x2 minus x3, y1 minus y2, y2 minus y3. Half determinant of x1 means 1 minus minus 4, x2. x2 means minus 4 minus x3 means minus 3. y1 means minus 1 minus y2 means 6. y2 means 6 minus y3 means minus 5. Of determinant of 1 minus into minus plus 1 plus 4 5 minus 4 minus into minus plus 3 minus 4 plus 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 6 minus 7 6 plus 5 11. The determinant of ABCD we can write AD minus BC. AD minus BC. Like that we have to find the determinant of 5 minus 1 minus 7 11. So half into AD 5 into 11 minus minus 1 into minus 7. So half 5 11 55 minus minus into minus plus 7. So 55 minus 7 that equal to half modulus of 48. That equal to 24. So the area of the given triangle is 24 square units. Next we have to use the third formula by finding the area of the triangle. We have to substitute x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 in this formula. Of x1 y1 means 1 minus 1 1. x2 y2 means minus 4 6 1. x3 y3 means minus 3 minus 5 1. We have to find the determinant of this matrix. 1 by 2 into determinant of 1 into, we have to close the rows and columns containing 1. So we have to find the determinant of 6 1 minus 5 1. 6 into 1 6 minus 1 into minus 5 minus 5. Next we have to use the alternate signs plus minus. Next minus 1 into, we have to close the rows and columns containing the minus 1. So minus 4 1 minus 3 1. Minus 4 into 1 minus 4 minus 1 into minus 3 minus 3 minus into minus plus 3. Next we have to use plus minus plus signs. 1 into, we have to close the rows and columns containing 1. 4 6 minus 3 minus 5. Yes, we have to find the determinant. Minus 4 into minus 5 20 minus 6 into minus 3 minus 18 minus into minus plus 18. Of modulus of 6 minus into minus plus 5. 6 plus 5 11 minus minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 plus 20 plus 18 38. Half into 11 minus 1 10. 10 plus 38 48. So 224. So the area of the triangle is 24 square units. Next we have to use the fourth formula. Here 3 vertices are given. Yes, convert into one vertex 0 0. Yes, we have to add minus 1 plus 1 of this vertex. Yes, it convert into a 0 0. Like that we have to do minus 1 plus 1 minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 6 plus 1 7. Like that we have to do the third vertex also. Minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 1 minus 4. Then the area of the triangle is delta equal to determinant of x1 y1 x2 y2. Yes, we have to take this is x1 y1 x2 y2. Yes, of determinant of x1 means minus 5 7 minus 4 minus 4. Find the determinant of minus 5 7 minus 4 4. Minus 5 into 4 20 minus 7 into minus 4 minus 28. So half into 20 plus 28 48. Yes, 2, 24. So the area of the triangle is 24 square units. Next, the area of the quadrilateral. Ax1, y1, bx2, y2, cx3, y3, dx4, y4 are the vertices of the quadrilateral. Then the area of the quadrilateral. Then only we have to divide the quadrilateral to triangles. Yes, area of the triangle ABC plus area of the triangle ACD. Already we know the formula of area of the triangle, or the area of the quadrilateral of determinant of x1 minus x3, x2 minus x4, y1 minus y3, y2 minus y4. We have to use this formula. We will find the area of the quadrilateral easily. Let us take one example. Find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices are -4, -2, -3, -5, 3, -2 and 2, 3. Let us take -4, -2, x1, y1, -3, -5, x2, y2, 3, -2, x3, y3, 2, 3, x4, y4. The area of the quadrilateral is of determinant of x1 minus x3, x2 minus x4, y1 minus y3, y2 minus y4. Yes, of determinant of x1 means -4 minus x3, 3. x2 means -3 minus x4 means 2. y1 means -2 minus y3 means -2. y2 means -5 minus y4 means 3. Of determinant of -4 -3 -7 -3 -2 -5 -2 minus into minus plus 2 -2 plus 2 0 -5 -3 -8 of -7 into -8 -5 into 0 0. So half into 7 8 56. Yes, 28 square units. That into 56. 2 28 is 56. So the area of the quadrilateral is 28 square units. ఈ రకంగా మనము ఫార్ములాస్ యూజ్ చేసి ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ది ట్రయాంగిల్ ఈజీగా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయవచ్చు. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.